What's going on, y'all? We just got out here to the track after a long ride. Linked up with my boy Will. Got my boy, and I saw little Ken over there. Bikes out. Ken in the Nissan, but that's just for right now. Big things coming for the Mustang. Soon. Twin right there. But we made it out here to the track. We just got out here. We trying to situate some food. We got to figure out what we got to do, man. We got a long ass ride, so we're going to catch y'all in a minute. Start looking around, see what we
Hey,
our phones is
watch
crazy.
this shit.
Our phones is crazy. Yo, get with his channel too, cause he gonna drop some stuff. This is the craziest trip. That's wild.
That's crazy.
All your stuff, I'ma tag it for sure. Keep haunting me. I'm gonna have to get one soon. I don't know who drank this shit, but this is hard. I'll tell you that much. This is hard. I like this one, I ain't gonna lie.
Like, bro, he got some shit that's like, that gotta be like, I don't know, that's expensive. Towing this, towing those, that shit, bro.
Say that, man. He said, you know it ain't from
That sounds crazy. Man, welcome to the track, man. We're gonna take y'all on this adventure. We'll be back in a minute.
I see you got the camera. I know you're gonna try to do some recording stuff. I need like 5 minutes out there. I gotta clear it out in a minute. So you go ahead and do your thing. Cause right now you go. I'm coming out there in about 10.
Alright, give me 10. what's going on, y'all? So we took the R1, we took the CF motor, we got the Nissan, and we are here on the track. Watching this drifting. Let's see what's about to see. I don't know about y'all, but this track is alright. I thought it was gonna be a little different. A little different. It's a couple of things. I need my toe setup. Y'all be ready for that. Toe setup coming. I wish I had a truck. Park right here. But yeah, we out here, man. This should be a shot by Joe.
Hey, Tony, don't take that shoe off.
Yeah, right.
Big man, so you know, we don't watch none of that shit. I'm saying, when we come, we get the bread, we get the bag, that's what we know, right? I'm saying, when we eliminate anything that comes our way, you understand what I'm trying to say? We don't watch none of that shit. What is that? What is that? Ops, right? Who are they? Where they at? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's what we do. We don't watch none of that shit. They watching us, pulling up, big body. You know what I'm saying? 25 each. You know what I'm saying? Bobs. You drop flex it. It's a message to the house.
Time we gon' spank you. I ain't sure the gang number. Everybody know I'm sanctioned. If I step on the island, we wildin' out. I ain't gon' stop till the guys is out. Free psych, free psych, it's out. My niggas raising the body count. We can get back. I ain't with the talk or the chit chat. Get your shit crack. If I back out the top, we can get back. Contract is like Tom Brady. Niggas getting no brag cause they lazy. Tell track, lift them. If that nigga talking crazy, now it's fuck you pay me. Or bullets start blazing. Since I was young, we invested in guns. Now we looking at the stars in the break. While I'm getting by your head, should I pop me out? I like tape. Should I pop the kid? I like baby, just wait.
My niggas with it, money flow running them digits. I know niggas mad that we did it. Say it, we live it. Morals will never forget it. I ever get booked, I'm a cricket. Get it and flip it. Any right here, I'ma sip it. You try me in shots, get biscuit. 24 hip it. I'ma just 24 hip it. Cause bro said don't ever forget it. Gang with me. Anywhere I pop out, know the thing with me. Every nigga here with me gon' bang with me. Trey looking, bro, going insane with me. Why they dropping this shit in the things? Smoke at daddies, I'm rolling up blame niggas. Couple niggas here with me to change niggas. Clean the mission, we leaving remains, nigga. Surely business ain't playing no fuck with this fame, nigga. You would get flame, nigga. Don't you front like I aim, nigga. I saw homies that fuck on my brain, nigga. I be feeling like going insane, nigga. I just got me a chain on my chain, nigga. You gon' die for the stain, nigga. When you send me the idea, I came, nigga. Only me and my main,
Straight. Let a 40, that shit got a kick. Yeah, I know that they wanted me bad, so don't act like we proud of me, bitch. While a brother keep running the hand, he said, fuck it, he know how it get. You say I never be what I said. I'm like, fuck it, I'm making it lit. Good fit, gotta take me a flick. I just do it till